Hello guys, welcome to the part 3 of the video. I have made several adjustments into the BIOS. First we're gonna go to the advanced BIOS features and modify right here for the first boot device to be the CD-ROM, and for the second boot device the hard drive. Of course the third boot device will be disabled. Smart capability enabled, depending on your preferences. It's best to leave it enabled because if the hard drive has a problem, it will report that it has issues. Okay, and for the integrated peripheral right here, I have disabled the AHCI mode because we're not going to use that. Okay. And afterwards there's nothing else I can do right here. We just have to take a look at the processor. Is 44 degrees, and for the motherboard is 33. So far so good, nothing special. The processor is 3.3 GHz and 333 by 7, and we're going to save and exit. And after that we're going to wait for the DVD burner to boot from the Windows installation, DVD, CD, pardon. No problem. So we're gonna have to wait boot from the CD-ROM for the CD-ROM, pardon. And we're going to start with the with CD-ROM support because we don't have the other program that we can run this setup, like the Norton Commander or DOS Navigator. So now we have another there, and right now we're going to type cd dash cd space Windows 98, enter, and another command, and setup. The partition for the installation of Windows 98 must be the FAT32 instead of NTFC. C directory for the Windows, okay. We can go for the typical or the custom. We can choose from here to see what the internet tools, the desktop themes. I do like this ones a lot. The communication, we don't have this kind of thing right now. Okay. The computer name will be Pentium 3. Workgroup and description, no. United States, keyboard, okay, next. And from now we're going to wait. Cancel, I don't have the floppy drive yet. Next. See how fast these things will install on this machine. Okay, there'll be the fourth part of the video when I'll be showing you how Windows 98 has finalized the installation, and see you then. Okay, bye.